Welcome to True Seeker, your gateway to the eternal wisdom of the Rig Veda. Today we're diving into Mandala 1, hymns 133 to 143, where Indra's divine might, Soma's radiant purity, and the Marut's vibrant energy illuminate the One Supreme Self. Join us to uncover strength, purity, and cosmic harmony. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's embark on this sacred journey together. Hymn 133, Indram Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Saumyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Indra, you sanctify our worship with cosmic might. Your radiant power brings peace, awakening unshakable courage in our hearts. Hymn 134, Indraya Gayati Vishvena Yajati Somyam, Sa no Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Indra, we sing your universal glory and worship. Your divine strength guides us to harmony, igniting resolve in our souls. Hymn 135. Indram Vishvena Samnadati Yajati Saumyam, Sanapra Yati Vishvati, meaning, O Indra, you empower our sacrifice with radiant might. Your divine presence brings serenity, strengthening our spirit with truth. Hymn 136. Mitra-Varuna Yajati Visvedevas Gayati, Sa na Prayati Somyam, meaning, Mitra-Varuna, you uphold our worship with divine order. Your radiant justice brings peace, guiding us to the Supreme Self. Hymn 137, Mitra-Varuna Vishvena Samnadati Saumyam, Sano Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Mitra-Varuna, your cosmic order sanctifies our worship. Your divine harmony brings serenity, uniting us with eternal truth. Hymn 138, Pusanam Yajati Vishvena Gayati Somyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Pushan, you guide our worship with radiant care. Your divine protection brings peace, leading us to prosperity and truth. Hymn 139, Visvedevas Yajati Vishvena Samnadati, Sa na Prayati Samyam, meaning, O Visvedevas, you sanctify our worship with universal light. Your divine unity brings harmony, connecting our hearts to the Supreme. Hymn 140, Agni Vishvena Gayati Yajati Saumyam, Sa no Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Agni, your radiant flames uplift our worship. Your divine fire guides us to peace, illuminating our path to the Supreme Self. Hymn 141, Agni Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Saumyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Agni, you sanctify our sacrifice with cosmic fire. Your radiant presence brings serenity, kindling wisdom within our souls. Hymn 142, Agni Samnadati Vishvena Yajati Saumyam, Sanoprayati Vishvati, meaning, O Agni, you resound with divine energy in our worship. Your sacred fire brings peace, uniting us with the eternal Supreme. Hymn 143, Agni Vishvena Yajati Gayati Saumyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati, meaning, O Agni, you inspire our songs of universal worship. Your radiant flames lead us to harmony, illuminating our eternal path. That's our sacred journey through Mandala 1, hymns 133 to 143. Indra's might, Mitra-Varuna's justice, Pushan's care, Visvedevas' unity, and Agni's divine fire have illuminated the One Supreme Self. Like, share, and subscribe for more Vedic wisdom. Drop your thoughts in the comments and join us next time for more hymns. Stay radiant and see you soon.